Welcome, creatives, to my channel. Or if you're listening to this, then welcome to the podcast. So let's get all the introductions out of the way and delve straight into the important stuff. I'm Ben Hatfield, and I'm overjoyed to be sharing this little corner of the internet with you. You see, in my day-to-day, I run a media production company, and I help my clients find their journey. I help them find their unique angle, their customer journey, the reasons that people should invest in them emotionally, and in their success. And I help them find the narratives that they need in their online presence and their in-person presence to flourish. And I've been doing this since 2018. And this is really what makes me the happiest I can be. The reading, collaborating, educating, the immersing myself in a world of writing and filming, and helping those I work with to find success and passion in what they're doing. So my goals for this channel are simple. I want to share my journey with you, and hopefully I want to get many of you on the path to publication. And even if your goal isn't publication, that's perfectly fine, because I want to also build a community here. A community so everyone can talk, collaborate, they can give and get advice, and basically give you all an area where you'll all feel supported and inspired. Stick around, this channel's all about making you a stronger writer, one page at a time. Let's embark upon this adventure together, shall we? Okay, so go ahead, grab your favourite drink, get comfortable because you're officially a part of this journey. Come and check out the channel.